How to sign in into Hulu account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can log in into Hulu account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser of your preferred choice and in the search bar type in hulu.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the official web page of Hulu. Now, in order to log into your account, click on login button from the top right corner. Now, you'll be taken into login page. In order to log in, you have to enter the email address associated with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. If you already have an account, you have to enter the email address associated with your account. Once done, click on Continue button. After that, you have to enter the password associated with your account and make sure to type in the correct password. If you have any trouble logging into your account, or in case if you forget your password, there is a link provided here. It says having trouble logging in. Click on it, follow some instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Now, once you're done typing in your password, click on Login button. Again, for your verification, you will receive a verification code in your Gmail account that you have linked with your Hulu account. So, check your email and in your inbox, look for the 6-digit code from Hulu and then type in the correct code right here. Once you have entered the code, click on Continue. And with that, now you're logged in into your account. If you see here, they will see the initial of your name that shows you're logged in into your Hulu account. And here now we can manage your account. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.